Sukshma Vyayam or loosening exercises part 2. Spread your legs in front of your body, make your back straight, take support of your arms and start shaking your legs side by side. You can also hit your thighs on the mat one by one. We will start with the knee and hip movements. You have to raise your knee one by one, side by side. Breathe in and up, breathe out and down, breathe in and up, breathe out and down, breathe in and slowly down, breathe in and breathe out. Again, shake your legs side by side. Now, you have to fold your one knee, make your back straight, hold your thigh, breathe in and slowly raise your leg up straight, breathe out, breathe in and out, breathe in and out. Now try to hold the position for few seconds in the same posture for 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your leg down and relax. Now fold your right leg, make your back straight, hold your thigh, breathe in, raise your leg up and down, breathe in and out, breathe in and out. Now again raise your leg up and hold the position for 3, 2 and 1 second and relax. Shake your legs. Now you have to fold your one leg, place your feet on the thigh, hold your knee, stretch up and down, breathe in and out, breathe in and out. Now you have to try to hold your knee up and try to make stretch to your hip for 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your knee down and relax. Fold your another leg up, hold your knee, breathe in and stretch it up, breathe out, push it down, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, breathe in and out. Now again try to hold your knee, try to create the stretch to your hips for few seconds and relax. Shake your legs again. Now we will go with toes and ankle movements. You have to stretch your feet in and out, breathe in and out, feet in and out, feet in and out. Now try to stretch your toes in and out, breathe in, squeeze your toes out, breathe in and out, toes in and out. Now just try to rotate your feet in circular direction one by one. The movement should be slow and precise. You can breathe in while covering the inner half rotation, breathe out while covering the outer half rotation. 4 to 5 rounds in each direction. Slowly rotate your feet, breathe in and out, breathe in and out. Slowly breathe in and out, rotate and outward rotation and just relax. Shake your legs side by side. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe the video. Namaskar.